Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to integrate interactive brokers with TradingView. First, open TradingView and locate the trading panel at the bottom of your screen. This is where you'll manage all your brokerage connections. Click on the Broker tab, then scroll through the list to find and select interactive brokers. This initial step is crucial for setting up your trading environment efficiently and securely. After selecting interactive brokers, a new window will appear prompting you to log in. Enter your interactive broker's username and password carefully. You'll then be asked to grant TradingView permission to access your account. Review these permissions and confirm. This secure authorization process ensures your trading data remains protected while allowing seamless integration. Once confirmed, your accounts will be linked, ready for trading. With your accounts linked, you can now place trades directly from TradingView's powerful charts. Simply click on the Buy or Sell buttons, or right-click on the chart to open an order panel. You have access to various order types, such as market, limit, and stop orders, giving you precise control over your entries and exits. Managing your open positions and portfolio is also straightforward within the platform. To maximize your trading potential, explore TradingView's extensive library of advanced charting tools and indicators. Experiment with different layouts and customize your workspace to fit your unique trading style. Remember, continuous learning is key to success. For those who love to read and learn on the go, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below this video. Keep refining your strategies and happy trading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.